Sorry, I don't know what I said. Oh, okay, guys. Well, hello, guys. Welcome to Don't Press the Button Part 2. You know, it's not the actual game, guys. Yeah, I know there's another game called Don't Press the Button 2, but I'm not playing it right now. I like this game more. Alright. Let me get diamonds. Okay. Oh, shoot. Oh, well. Sorry. Finish the maze easy, guys. No, okay, no, this is actually a really hard maze. If you guys don't try this at home, guys, don't do this maze at home. You will get so angry. Nope, that's not a good. That's not the right one. I already went there. Let's go. I got it. I did it. Whee! Now let's collect all these potatoes. I'll go to the shop and see. Ooh. Buy something from the particles shop. By the way, guys, I've been doing like a lot of things. Like I've been doing a lot of progress, and you know, like, how do I say it? Like, I've been doing like a lot of I've been making a lot of progress on this game, and now I have 4 things. I have speed coil, a chili dog, money, and also this person taser. And if you guys, okay, and if you try to find a person, they will get set. That's funny. Go the correct path. No. No, that's not the correct one. Alright, is this the correct path? Nope, I exploded. Oh, come on, somebody else. Oh, then dang it. Why are there 2 bananas? I don't get it. Wait. Oh, there's bombs. Help! There are. Oh my god. Okay. Stop! Oh, I actually need to move this. What's it, guys? Yeah, I really need to move it. Alright. Yeah, I don't press that. It just exploded. That is a lot of damage, whoever you are. Whoever you are, I don't know. Alright, come on, please. Be the right key. What is the toilet? Okay, there's no key on the toilet. Alright. Now let's just. Okay, where are the keys? Okay, there's another key. Get key. Let's get it. I think this might work. Dang it. We're running on the key inside. I think we got it. Yay! Try walking on the correct path. Okay, wait. Somebody should go. Okay. No, we fell. Oh, it doesn't matter. Cool. Okay, yeah, that's the correct pattern. What's that? Nope, guys, we fell. Nope, we fell. Yeah, this is the correct path. Okay, somebody go now. Go on, somebody go. Somebody go. Okay, good. Correct. Okay. Could try tricking us. Where should we go? Guys, come on, hurry up. Oh, okay. Let's go with it. Nope, it's not. Still. Oh, that's not it. What? Oh, come on. The end was reached. Good job. Bro, I got coins because somebody else reached the end. Wow. Score goes with the soccer ball. No, let's go. Come on. No. There's only like there's only like 4 people here. But there's one part that's AFK. That has AFK. It doesn't matter for me. Run! Oh my god, help! Okay. Oh, oh my god. I'm getting pulled by the tornado. Don't fall off. Whoa, 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 ah! Okay, we got somebody. The tornado is picking up people. Sorry for all the coughing, guys. I kind of have a cold. Alright, okay, I'm on blue team. Why is it always just red spheres? No. Push it. No. Wait, Tails? Wait, no. Don't let Tails do it. No Tails. No, Bad Tails. You're acting like a bad Tails. Come on, you're my sidekick. Tails, no. No Tails. No, Bad Tails. Bad Tails. Don't be a Bad Tails. You're literally my sidekick. Bro, stop. Come on. No. Yeah, good. No. Bad Tails. No. Bad Tails, good. Yeah? See? Haha. Okay, good Tails. Okay. No, Bad Tails. We got Bad Tails. Stop, Tails. No, you're not being good Tails. Stop. Very bad Tails. Stop. No, okay. Good. Somebody just has a side call. That's a noob. Okay. No, stop. Stop, Tails. Stop, Tailsy boy. Don't want to do it. It's a tie. Good job. Yeah. That's cool. Okay, let's actually go find this guy. Wait. Where's this person? Wolf. Oh, come on, he left. Yay. We're holding nothing. Look how strong we are. We're pushing. Guys, help! I became tiny! Bro, look at the speed coil! Even the speed coil. Okay, no, we're back to normal size. Wait, why can't I move? Guys, why can't I move? Okay, it's good. I can find a way not to move. Okay. Okay, guys, that just slowed me down. Oh my bro, 59? And I got 29. Because of my game just froze. Okay, again. Let's go. Yes, we have a second chance. Alright, we got 19. I need a push. Alright. Come on. Let's win. I'm running so fast, but he can't get me right now. I think I got the highest one. I'm hungry, so let's deliver some pizza. Yeah, boy. Five minutes later. Alright. Oh no! Alright guys, I got disconnected from a different server because my iPad was acting like such a was acting such a dummy. Oh my god, I already died. Bro, I literally fell. I'm so bad. Okay, come on. There's 2 bacons. Oh, my game's so laggy, bro. What's the meaning of this? Come on. Yes! Okay. Power of... Yeah! Yum, yum, yum. It just makes like a weird num-num sound. Just keeps on making like a weird num-num. Alright, let's actually hit some people. Yeah, I caught. Oh, a picture! We can take a picture. To be in the middle of the picture. Hey, no. No, be the best. Me is the front of the picture. I'm the front of the picture, guys. Yeah, I'm the best. I always try to get to the front of the picture. That's the best strategy you should ever do. You hear me? Soccer! Soccer? Give me that soccer ball. Now score a goal, score a goal. Score it, score it. Score a goal. Score a goal. Score a goal, come on. Let's score it, no. Wait, actually, yes. Come on, no, dig it. Yes! I didn't even mean to do it, bro. Let's go. I scored it, yeah. Okay, wait, what am I doing here? Wait, what do I... Okay, what's going on? Okay, somebody's okay. Yay, it was connected. I don't know what's happening. Get to the end of the road while traffic light is green or yellow. Okay. Okay, alright. Okay. It's a long red light. Okay, come on. Whee! Yeah! We made it, guys. Kick up the hills! Let's kick it. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it. No, get out. Get out. You're really bad. No, stop. No, I'm the best, okay? Stop, I'm the best, okay? Stop hitting me, and I'll not get you. Promise. I thought I know what I promise. You gotta try. Get up, this is the kick up the hills, you know? Come on, stop. Of course, this guy. I got 31. I got like 19. Like the second most. By the way, guys, I want to comment down what's your favorite Roblox game, mate. You're good. Let's go. Come on. Come on, guys. Go on. Go right now. Everybody go. Let's not explode. You did our best. Everybody here sucks. Besides you guys and myself, but everyone in the server sucks. Nobody likes dying right now. Wow. A bomb again? Wait, but this one we have to push off. Push it off. Oh yeah. This is base plate. What's a base plate? Wait. Skeletons? Alright guys, you know what? Let's just do this last round. Let's just do one more round. Which is this one. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Now guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's just kill all these zombies. And also skeletons too. Whoa! Ah! Hey! Whoa! Kill the skeletons. Get the skeletons. Come out, skeletons. Get me right now! Base don't wrath on me! Come over here if you dare. We will destroy. Say goodbye, skeletons. Yes, we got 25. got a magic potion. Nice. Alright guys, I think we're gonna end the video here. Bye bye everybody, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye. Yeah, bye. Bow! Nope, okay, sorry guys. Bye!